Hey guys, welcome back to the video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, you might have noticed that the whole market is in red, trying to figure out how to just sustain while Doge is printing green candles, and there are some driving factors behind this. First of all, the trading volume has exceeded $5 billion. Now this is a big announcement and a lot of whales are paying attention to Dogecoin. On the other end, breaking news, Dogecoin payment discovered in the code of Tesla's Cybertruck. On the other end, there is more than 6 million addresses that actually hold Dogecoin now. And are the whales getting ready to send it to $1? Now, before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video. It will just help the YouTube algorithm push the video out to more people. More people pay attention to Dogecoin. There is more social engagement. More people are talking about it. More people buy into it. It starts spiking up and we all make a lot of profit. We need to make sure we get the social engagement for Dogecoin to stay at the level where we are right now. If there are any other YouTubers that make Dogecoin videos, simply drop a like on it. The more buzz there is going to be, the price is going to surge. And that doesn't just apply to Dogecoin, that applies to everything. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Now, first of all, I want to talk about this. If you guys remember, about 4 to 5 months ago, we did talk about this, which is when Tesla Cybertruck was announced and they were going to start, shipping it out. Now there's a lot of people in the world, in America especially, who actually have the Cybertruck. Now, around that time in the program or, the coding of the actual website, there was a lot of places where you could find the name Dogecoin. Well, today, our very good source, if you do not know, Top Doge, decided to tweet out saying, breaking news, Doge payment discovered in the code for Tesla's Cybertruck. Now keep in mind, back in the day it was just Dogecoin, but now finding out about Doge payment, the most iconic outcome is most likely. We know that when Elon had the Berlin, so many events, someone asked him, will you be accepting Dogecoin as a form of payment for Tesla? And he did say yes, and he did not mention the time frame, but he did mention yes, that will be happening. What does that mean? Well, now the Tesla Cybertruck having Dogecoin in its code is suggesting that this might be happening a lot sooner than we expect. Now, Dogecoin surpasses 6 million addresses. The continued surge is going up really fast. Dogecoin surpasses 6 million addresses, indicating significant growth in holders and especially the adaptation. Now, what is really interesting you need to understand is just about a month ago we were sitting at 5.5 and the second largest crypto meme coin, which is Shiba Inu, has close to 1.1 million holders, and Doge has 6 million. Gives you perspective how big it is right now. And now keep in mind, 6 million, if you compare it to the whole human population, that's not many people. So there is so many more people yet to come into the crypto space. And when that happens, you guys know it's going to be making huge moves. Dogecoin has achieved a remarkable milestone by surpassing 6 million, now boosted over 6.2 million addresses. And this is hinting to a lot of people just accumulating while the market is still just, heating up. Keep in mind, April is going to be a big month because Doge can actually surpass $1. I would personally not be surprised. Why is this? Well, keep in mind, the Bitcoin halving event will be happening somewhere close to the 15th of April. Then Doge Day will be straight after that, which will be the 20th of April. After that, on the 1st of April, it's a meme day. In 3 days, a lot of people will be talking about memes. When it comes to memes, you think about crypto, the largest meme that everyone knows of, Dogecoin. And another driving factor is the whale activity is surging so much, and COINBASE is allowed or very close to announcing their futures, which will be releasing for Dogecoin. Alright, so Doge is likely to be going to $1 before the cycle ends. That's close to a 5x. You have 100k to invest, well, do it, because that's going to be turned into 500k very soon. Addresses with balance greater than 1 million, and you guys can see the surge is starting to go up really fast. Now, if we talk about the Dogecoin price, now a lot of people made fun of me a little bit ago. I'm only talking about 3 to 4 days ago when I mentioned that when we break above the big resistance, which we have close to 18 cents, which has rejected a lot of price momentum in the past as well, we're gonna fly all the way to 20 in less than a day. And a lot of people are making fun of me, but you guys can see we have clearly done that, broken over the 20 cents, right now just trading slightly below. Now keep in mind, it's able to do this while the market is in a downtrend. I mean, if you just look at the overall market, Bitcoin is still below the 70k mark. If it's able to show this sort of promising momentum, it just gives you perspective. When Bitcoin actually starts heading to the uptrend, Doge will be leading the charge quite significantly. Now, if we talk about the RSI, you can see it's slowly starting to move towards the overbought zone. That's not very scary, because personally, I feel like there's going to be a little bit of consolidation, which will actually try to cool down the RSI and will help the momentum to keep going. Also, we have broken above the sell pressure that what I was talking about, as you guys can see right there. When we break above this is the third time in the history of Dogecoin where it has shown this much promising power of momentum upwards. Now, asking Grok, how do we send Doge on X? To send Doge to X, you guys can see you can pretty much do everything. Add a payment method, add a new cryptocurrency, and just select Doge. Now, obviously, this has not been implemented yet, but seeing Grok, if you do not know what Grok is, it is pretty much the AI system which is part of Twitter. You can actually just go over here and use it. Now, Grok must know something which a lot of other AI systems do not know, and that is knowing the back end of Twitter. Does this mean that X Payments will be announcing Dogecoin collaboration very soon? If that happens, you guys know that will also be a big driving factor. Hell yeah, 20 cents coming soon, and 20 cents will not be slowing the momentum down. After the dump money got wrecked last cycle, they stopped talking about it. Once 20 cents breaks on the monthly, it's moon time, and most likely this moon time will send us all the way to its all-time high, and I'm talking about very, very soon. Now, Doge designer being retweeted by Elon. Now, this is becoming an everyday thing. Keep in mind, when the market was in the low ends, this was not happening so frequently. Now, Dogecoin, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash face regulatory shift, and what they're talking about is if the CFTC does not object to the products applied, then Coinbase will be setting this going by the 1st of April. And if that all happens by the 1st of April, you guys know it will be a big deal. I mean, just the rumors around this was already causing the price to go up so quickly. And Binance unleashes the SHIB Doge Pepe pair, which is obviously going to allow for more open interest, and it's already been crossing some big numbers. Doge whale activity surges, huge market maker spot for the next meme token, but you need to understand that right now everyone is paying close attention to the momentum that Doge is building. I mean, it's very clear to see the whole market is in red, but Doge is still able to hold the positive line. And the best part of all that, the market value is going up by only 7%, but the trading volume is up another 60%. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.